This is exactly how you can find verified email addresses of software company founders, SaaS founders, so that you can reach out to them, sell your services, software, whatever you want to do. My aim over here is to provide you their verified, valid email addresses. How you use that, it's totally up to you. The first thing you need to do is come over to this website known as Y Combinator Founders Directory. So Y Combinator, if you don't know, if I'm not wrong, like I've not researched about this company, it's basically a firm or something that invests into a lot of different startups and they've invested in thousands of different companies. So I think all the founders who they have invested in, they like list all of them over here. So this has like 9,000 different founders in all different industries, all different softwares. So from here, we can extract all of their names and their company names, and then we can use other softwares to enrich that data and find their verified email addresses and all of that stuff. So now once you're here, we're actually going to be needing a Chrome extension known as Instant Data Scraper. It's absolutely free. So like let's say you don't have it downloaded. I already have it downloaded. You just come to the link and click on the link, and after that you click on this button where it says add to Chrome. Click on this, and after that you click on add extension, and boom, it's done from this point. Once it has been added, we can use it to scrape the data. Now once you have everything added, like it's pretty much done. You can also apply some filters in Y Combinator. So there are some filters towards the left which you can use if you want to. So you can like filter by the company industry. So if you want to like reach out to fintech company founders and you want to help them increase like user engagement on the platform or user retention, you can just click on like fintech over here. So now it will only show you like fintech company founders. So that's totally up to you. For example, like let's say I want to reach out to B2B softwares and I want to help them with the marketing, because that's what I'm going to do. I have a software and I want to like reach out to these B2B company founders and everything and help them with marketing and getting more users to the B2B platform, because that's what I'm building, like a B2B software. So I'll just select that. You can go into subcategories as well. That's totally up to you. After that, one last filter you can apply is what exactly is the role of a person. So for example, if I wanted to, like let's say I was a remote development agency and I help like software founders save money by helping them hire like remote developers, basically staff augmentation services, then I might reach out to only CTOs. So you can apply those filters. I don't think so it's actually required, so I just leave it blank. I don't care if like the founder reads it or like a CEO reads it or whatever. So yeah, after that, once you've applied all the filters, you simply come over here where it is like this small icon over here, which is the shortcut for extensions, and after that you click on Instant Data Scraper. Click on the scraper, and yeah, after that it will open up over here. For some reason, whenever I try to open it, it does not work properly the first time. So if it works for you properly, just continue ahead with the next step, like skip this step. But whenever I try to open it, it does not work. So I'll just close it once and then I'll open it up again. So yeah, after that, now you can see, now it's like correctly displaying all the data which is visible on the place on the page, sorry. So you can see over here we have like the name of the founder, the full name, we have like the position and the company where they work at. So all these columns we don't actually need them because we just need their names and we need their company and whatever. So I'm just going to click on the cross icon next to all these different fields. So I'll just leave like the name and the company where they work at. After that, once we can see like the data is being displayed correctly, exactly what is being shown over here, we can see the data is correctly displayed. What we'll now do is click on this infinite scroll button, which basically tells it that you just have to keep on scrolling again and again and again. And once this has been ticked, you simply click on the start scrolling button. And yeah, if it says like no, like this is not found, like if it says like no element with a scroll bar found, what you can do is just close this once more, because it is not able to find like a scroll bar, so it cannot actually scroll. So what I do is I just close it once, I just scroll it a bit so that the scroll bar is now visible. I just do it like this, and boom, I just click on the Instant Data Scraper again, and I'll just click on like start scrolling after that. So as you can see, it's now working. My hands are over here and it's automatically going through all the data and scraping in. Now you can let it run. It will take some time depending on the number of people you're scraping. So just keep on going ahead with it. If it gives you some errors like no element found or something, just like click on the start scrolling button again. So after some time, if you like let it run or something, it's gonna give you like all the results. I'm just gonna pause it right now because I'm just trying to show you like how you're supposed to do it. So let's say this was all the data which I needed. So I'll actually just stop it. But yeah, you can continue and it will give you like all the data. Once you've done that, you can click on this copy all button over here. You can come over to Google Sheets. Oh no, sorry. you have to go over to ChatGPT. We don't actually have the CSV file. So just open ChatGPT or any AI model of your choice, any LLM model, and yeah, you can just use like anything. Doesn't really matter. I just use ChatGPT. Paste all the data which you copied from instant data scraper. Ensure like the model you selected for the AI is a reasoning model. So you can use like Google's AI model. So like let's say if I was using Gemini, then I select like the advanced AI reasoning model. So basically you want to select an AI reasoning model which can actually go through the data and perform some tasks over there. So any AI model works. I just prefer ChatGPT because that's what I use. And after that, copy this prompt exactly as you see it over here. Boom. And just like at the end of it, add a line break, paste the prompt, and after that, press enter. Now what it's gonna do is over here, you can see like the first name is not separate, last name is not separate, and the like it says like founder at this company. But you want the exact company name so that we can use the company name to find the domain and then find like their email addresses. So it's just gonna go through all these entries and it will take like 30 to 40 seconds maybe. So I'll just pause out the video, and once ChatGPT has given me the CSV file with all the entries, then I'll resume it. Yep, so just downloaded the CSV file which ChatGPT gave me, opened it up in Google Sheets, and now we have a list of all the different companies and everything. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm just simply gonna come over here, select the row where it says like the company, and after that come over to data, click on data cleanup, and click on remove duplicates. And yeah, because I just like some companies are repeated twice because it might have the directory like let's say there is a founder and a CEO, both of them will be listed of a company. So I just did not want any duplicate entries. So now we have like some unique companies and we can go ahead and enrich the data. So uh, I'll just come over here. I'll select all of them. Yep. So actually like just to keep the tutorial shorter and keep it quicker, I'll just do it for like 30-40 companies, and yeah, but the process stays and remains the same. Now what you need to do is we can simply come over to the company to domain finder in the software known as Leadwave. So there is a software known as Leadwave which is absolutely the best because for $49 you can get like unlimited credits, unlimited everything, and it has a lot of cool freaking features. So I'm just gonna be using it. You can come over here. You can create like a free account as well. You can try it out for a bit. But yeah, over here we have this feature known as company to domain feature. And yeah, we're just gonna simply paste it over here. Boom. After that, we click on the convert to domains button and we just let it run. So now what it's going to do, it's going to go to all the different directories on the internet and try to find what exactly is the website or like the domain of the company. Once you have that info, we can move ahead with the next step. So the results are now here. It took a couple of seconds, and yeah, you can simply click on the download CSV button over here, and yeah, I'll just call it domains. So, so that I can remember it. Yeah, just give it any name and it will be downloaded. After that, we move over to the next step. I'll just have to see what exactly it was. We've done this, we've done that. Yeah, after that, we have a thing known as verified email finder inside of Leadwave. So, oh shit, I closed off Leadwave. I'll have to open it up again. My bad. So in Leadwave, we have a verified email finder where we can find emails from the first name, last name, and the domain of the person. So I'll just log back in again quickly. Boom. Yep. So if we come over here, we can do it like single email as well. So like let's say I wanted to find the email of like Mark Zuckerberg. I don't know if we'll be able to find it. Facebook.com. So we enter like the first name, last name, and the domain of the company. I'm not sure if I'll have access to Mark Zuckerberg's email, but let's see if we're able to find it. So you can do it for single as well, and yep, we were able to find the verified email address. So you can do it in like one by one, but I'm pretty sure you're going to be using this for like bulk emailing. So you want to do it in bulk. So you come over here where it says like bulk email finder and click on the download template over here. So now we have a download like a template and we can fill out this template. We can update this template. So just come out to Google Sheets, click on open over here and just upload the template which you downloaded from Leadwave. Just upload it over here. And now we can just update the values. We can upload the CSV file into Leadwave and Leadwave is going to find us the verified email addresses. Now what you have to do, a couple extra steps. So we have downloaded this, the template CSV, and now over here we have to enter like the first name and the last name and the domain of the people. But if you remember, we have like two spreadsheets right now. One includes like, I'll just open them up to show you so that you understand what exactly I'm trying to convey. So if we come over here, we click on open, open, and we come over to upload, and I just upload the two CSV which we have downloaded. Then yeah, firstly I'll open this one, and I'll open the next one as well. Boom. Oh shit. Boom. So right now we have one CSV where we have like the first name, the last name, and the company name, and the other CSV is one. We have like the company name and the domains and everything. So what we can simply do is come over here and copy this entire, like the entire output, and just copy this. I'll come to the bottom and just freaking copy it. Boom. I've copied it, and now we can come over here and we can paste the domain exactly as it is. One thing I'll suggest you to do is like ensure you're very careful, because if you like, let's say pasted this over here, then the domains will be mismatched. So like the amplitude CO whatever it is, now he's being matched with Dropbox. So ensure you're like pasting it correctly, and yeah, I'll just name this domain. So all we now need to do is copy the data from this spreadsheet which has the combined everything like the first name, last name, and the domain, and just paste it in this CSV, like the sample CSV which we just downloaded from LeadWave. So I'll come here first, I'll copy all the first names over here. So I'll come to the bottom, copy all the first names, Command C, Control C if you're on Windows. I'll delete the existing columns, and yeah, I'll come to the first row, and yeah, just paste it. After that, I'll do the same with like the last name, and I'll just copy all of that as well. Boom. Copy. Yep. After that, I'll just delete these two as well, and yep, I'll just paste the last name as well. After that, we just copy the list of the domains too. I'll just come to the bottom again, copy the list of domains. Boom. Delete these two ones, and yeah, after that paste it, and now we have it ready. I'll just download the CSV. So yeah, you just have to download the sample CSV from LeadWave, and you just have to update it with the exact values you're trying to use. And yeah, I just have it downloaded as a CSV, and now we can come over here to LeadWave, click to upload CSV file, and just upload the CSV file which we have just downloaded right now. And yeah, after that you can click, I'll just let it roll like successfully updated like 140 records, and yeah, click on the process CSV button over here, and now the process has started. So it will take some time. It will go through our backend, our internal checker. Like we do a lot of different tests. Like we'll go and we'll go to our databases. We'll do like everything to ensure you find verified email addresses. You don't even have to like verify these addresses again with like million verifier or some other tool, because these are 100% verified. So just give it like a couple of seconds or minutes depending on how many emails you're doing. I think at once you can do a maximum of 10,000 emails. We give you unlimited credit, so yeah, it totally depends on you. So like let's say you have 20,000 things you want to do, like 20,000 entries. Do the 10,000 first, then you can move on to the next 20,000 whatever. So yeah, just do it in batches of 20,000, and now we have like the final result. So you can see like if it has like a green tick, that means it's valid. If it has like a cross sign, it's not valid. Basically we were unable to find it. So you can click on the download results, and yep, this is what it now looks like. If I come over to Google Sheets, I'll just open it up and show it to you what it looks like. Upload. Boom. So why the frick is it not uploading, man? I'll try to do it again over here. Yeah, it's open. So yep, as you can see, we have like the first name, the last name. Oh no, I think I opened the wrong one. Shit, I opened the wrong email. My bad. Upload verified emails. Boom. Now it should be open. The correct one this time. Yep. Yep. So you can see first name, last name, website of the company. You have like the verified email address. So now you have all the verified email addresses. You can go out and like start outreaching to them directly. You don't have to use like an email verifier or something. These are 100% valid emails. So I hope this helped. If you face any questions, if you have like any problems, we have this post over here. Just come into the comments and just leave a comment. I'll be more than happy to help you. Have a lovely, awesome, beautiful, fantastic day ahead. Bye bye.